Auto Injury Claim Process Explained app. The pros, the cons. The Auto Injury Claim Process Explained app is designed to demystify filing claims after a car accident, but most people assume it's confusing and full of hidden pitfalls. The surprising truth is that understanding the process step by step can prevent costly mistakes and speed up compensation. One major pro is education. The app walks users through each stage of a claim, from reporting the accident to negotiating with insurers. For example, it teaches users how to document property damage, record medical treatment, and calculate claim amounts, which can make a real difference in outcomes. Another advantage is organization. Users can track deadlines, store documents, and set reminders within the app, reducing stress and keeping everything in one place. This is especially helpful when juggling medical records, repair receipts, and insurance communications. However, there are cons. The app is informational. It cannot replace a lawyer's expertise for complex accidents or disputes over liability. Users handling complicated cases alone may face challenges that require professional representation. In conclusion, the Auto Injury Claim Process Explained app is an essential guide for anyone filing a car accident claim. It simplifies the steps, helps users stay organized, and increases confidence throughout the process while making it clear when expert legal advice is necessary.